Predictive analytics gives enterprises the tools to find the true value in their IoT data. Applying analytical methods to data from assets, sensors, materials, and business systems enables companies to predict and plan for equipment downtime, optimize asset management, as well as identify correlations in quality patterns and root causes, leading to increased efficiency and drastically reducing costs. This demonstration will show examples of predictive analytics by highlighting the following. A maintenance engineer using ThingWorx to monitor asset health takes actions against predicted failures that were detected using analytics, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. A production manager instantly alerted about predicted failures that could impact plant production, as well as receiving real-time notifications on planned actions and status. A maintenance engineer receives an alert about a potential upcoming failure with a CNC mill. To view more information, a ThingWorx dashboard is selected, which presents the status of all the equipment, including predicted failures based on analyzed historical and live data coming from the machines. In the Analytics panel, the risk level and contributing factors to the potential failure are listed, as well as the level of confidence in the predictive model. Leveraging integration with a service knowledge repository, suggested actions for resolving the potential issue are listed in the alert's details. In this case, the suggested fix is to replace the entire drawbar assembly, and because ThingWorx has been integrated with a field service management system, service can be scheduled from the same dashboard to address the issue before it leads to downtime. With the power of predictive analytics, the potential future problem has been addressed before it became a larger issue and negatively impacted plant operations. The plant manager was not only instantly notified about the predicted future failure, but also received a notification when the alert was acknowledged and service was scheduled. Alert settings were easy to configure in the same asset monitoring dashboard that the maintenance engineer previously used to oversee predicted equipment problems. These notifications ensure the production manager is notified about potential issues instantly and enable operations to be adjusted faster, decreasing the chance of costly, unplanned equipment downtime. As seen in this example, a connected factory leveraging the power of PTC's Industrial Innovation Platform, along with integrated analytics, significantly reduces the costs and risk of unexpected downtime by detecting and instantly sending notifications about potential equipment failures. Also, using consolidated dashboards that combine connected and analyzed data, along with integration to service systems, factories can further increase operational efficiency.